Good afternoon, Mr. Black. How are you today? I'm glad to hear that. I'm doing fine, sir. Thank you for asking. How are the wife and kids these days? Oh, your son just got married last year? Well, congratulations. I'm sure that they are very happy. Yes, it can be very heart-aching when your children leave the nest and go out on their own, but I'm pretty sure you must still get to see him. Ah, so you two get together every Sunday to watch football? That's awesome. Who do you guys root for? I love the Patriots as well. Great team. But it's too bad my favorite player, Tom Brady, left. But I am still faithful to the Patriots and know they can win another championship. Do you watch baseball as well? Oh, a fellow Red Sox fan. That sounds like we've got a lot in common. I've been to a few of their games as well. Yes, I agree. The roar of the crowd really brings the games to life. Oh no. So your TV is having some issues and you haven't been able to watch sports with your son? That's not good. We need to get you a new TV right away. I have the 70-inch Android TV that I think will be an excellent addition to your home. And the premium surround sound it has is outstanding. You'll really feel like you're right there in the middle of the stadium when the crowd gets up and cheers. This TV will bring back the memories of all the games you and your son have went to over the years. It will be wonderful to bond over. Yes, it comes with a special remote that you can talk to and ask the TV to play the Patriots game, and any other shows on your TV will go right to it and start playing it. How cool is that? Yeah, the screen is huge. This TV can even be the centerpiece in all those family gatherings you've told me about. It's so big you could have your whole family sitting around it and having a good time. You can also connect Alexa or Google so your whole family can control the TV without ever having to touch a single button. Your visits with your son will be more memorable when you don't have to fiddle around with the TV remote and can just straight go to the game. Let me get all your information so we can get this TV on its way so you and your son can start enjoying time together again, watching the sports. I want to thank you for shopping Best Buy for all your needs. We are here 24/7 if you need any help setting up your new TV. I do hope you have a wonderful day. I hope that you and your son make some new memorable moments to look back on. I'm hoping you enjoy your new TV. Also, please say hi to your family for me. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Good morning, Miss Vincent. How are you today? That's good. That is good to hear. What can I help you with today? Ah, so you're looking for a new TV today, but don't have much time to spare? Oh, not a problem. I have a 70-inch smart Android TV that I think will fit your needs and make your TV viewing much simpler. This Android TV will allow you to do more with less time. It comes with a remote that you can talk into that you can turn your TV on and off, change the volume, and more. It will also search for programs instantly. Just say Thor Ragnarok and it will go right to that movie and start playing it. Now that's a time saver to me. The days of having to press every single button on your remote to change the volume or find a show are over. I'm glad to hear that this sounds like what you're looking for, but you'd like more information, right? I have websites, videos, and manuals that you can check out online that will give you all the specifications and how to set up your new TV. I can also answer any questions right now you may have right here on the phone. I have one of these TVs myself and have been selling TVs for years. I love my TV and I enjoy it very much. I'm very knowledgeable. Here, let me show you a side-by-side comparison of a few of the different models we offer. Yes, Miss Vincent, all three of these models have a huge 70-inch screen. I think this one right here sounds like exactly what you are looking for. It comes equipped with premium surround sound, high dynamic range, and 4K resolution, and of course it can connect to all of your other smart devices so you never have to put down what you're doing to find something good to watch. Great. I'll have our shipping team send this right out and you'll receive it within a few days. I do want to thank you for shopping at Best Buy, and I do hope you enjoy your new TV. I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you do need any help setting up your new TV, please call us. We are here 24/7 for any help we can offer you, so you can sit down and enjoy your TV. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.